cartoons and comedy on BBC Kids.
Who is this out there?
Look, suspect.
He's not your average soldier.
Look, it's fine to this something look.
Because I saved the day. It's something the world.
Because I need to look.
It's Sam. Yes!
Now it is something is fine hair.
Well, has his on yourself frozen.
Atomic Betty. Weekdays, 4 o'clock on BBC Kids.
What's happening on the BBC Kids? We have enjoyed your love you to play games. Now it's time you say goodbye. Broadcast ends on December 31st.
Please stay Mario for until a fortune of this message. Please turn off the TV right now. Digit is strawberry emergency because I need set a strawberry on emergency. BBC Kids has a broadcasting on December 31st, 2018 and 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I repeat, turn off the TV impulsively. It would dissuade in emergency. Scare BBC Kids. I did a broadcasting in December 31st. 2018 at 11:59 p.m. Is this dead? Time. I said this must be informatic because I was still sick.